Okay, so what is up everyone? This is Kiran here. Welcome back to Tech Kiran YouTube channel. If you don't know, Magisk V20 3.0, the latest Magisk version is now released. It is helpful to gaining root access on your device. If you have a device, want to root your device, the first thing is bootloader unlock. Second thing is the custom recovery, and the third thing is to root your device. How you can root that? 99% of devices are now rooting with Magisk. So the Magisk latest version is here where many things are fixed, which I will share the change log and everything in the description. First of all, the main thing is, let me tell you that if my device is rooted or not. Of course my device is not rooted, but let me just show you that my device is not rooted. This is a root checker app which you can download from the Google Play Store to find out if your device is rooted or not, if your device has a root access or not. So simply grant all the permissions, click on verify root, and as you can see, sorry, the root access is not properly installed. My device is Redmi Note 8 running Android version 11. The guide is properly working on almost every device running Android 10, Android 9, Android 11. The file which required is this Magisk V20 3.0, and this is an APK file, and I'm gonna rename into .zip, which is .zip. But if you don't want to rename, I will put the zip file link in the description, because now APK file is not needed. In the previous update, the APK file was needed, but now the APK file is not needed. That's why I'm gonna install this, but we are not gonna install it as an APK. We're gonna install it as a zip file. So I have downloaded the zip file already. The main thing, you must have custom recovery installed before doing anything. Make sure you have a custom recovery, because if you don't have custom recovery, you will not be able to install Magisk on your device. Okay, so we have custom recovery, which is TWRP. You can use Orange Fox also. This is the zip file which I was talking about, but make sure to take a backup of boot img, or you can say boot image. This is necessary, because if in case something goes wrong, you can simply reboot your device by restoring this boot img. This is necessary, this is important. Make sure to take that backup, and like this, everything else is same. Install this zip file and reboot, and you will be rooted. Magisk will be installed on your device. In the previous update, there was a bug that whenever you install Magisk zip there, you still need to install that APK file, and then your device will be rooted, or then the Magisk app will open. But now that bug is also fixed. In the previous update, there was SafetyNet API error, that is also fixed. Now this version doesn't support the Android version 4.1, 4.2, maybe even 4.3. so this thing is one of the major things to keep in mind. If you have a device running Android 5 or more, then you can install this. We have downloaded this Magisk, we have installed, flashed this Magisk. Click on this file, which you will see after installation, after flashing, then it will automatically download the Magisk APK file. So make sure you have a proper internet connection. Maybe approximately it will download 5 to 6 MB of APK file. Just download Magisk, it will automatically download. Click on settings, allow from this source. This is the thing which you get in the latest Android versions. Magisk is installing on your device. It will take a little bit of seconds. App installed, click on open, and yes, you're good to go. Magisk is now installed on your device. Now everything is done. I've already shown you all the processes. SafetyNet API error is fixed now. If you got this is a SafetyNet fix which you can simply apply. We have many videos. You can simply use the Magisk hide or whatever else. This is all from today's video. As I previously mentioned, your link is in the description. This is all from today's video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.